Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is MzJwan, and if you're new, thanks for joining. If you're old, I appreciate you coming back. So if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button down there and be part of my beauty family. Yes, I appreciate you all. So I'm going straight ahead to review this product. I got a beauty blender from Rozay, and it's purple, it's soft, it has its name written on it. Yeah, I know, Rozay. And it came in this beautiful gold chalice, as you can see there. It has different size. It has the flat size, the pointy side, the round side for each part of the face. And it also has the small size too, which is very great for blending out concealers on your eyes before you start your eyeshadow application. So I'm just starting off with my foundation routine, and I'm using the round side to apply the foundation on my face. It glides on so well, it blends so easy, so quick, and I just love the packaging. I really do. So for my highlights, I'm using medium beige and cool tan from LA Girl, the concealer, to apply it under my eyes. I'm using the pointy side to blend out all the concealed areas on my face. And then for contour, I'm using the edgy side to blend out my contoured areas. I went ahead and I did my eyebrows off camera, so sorry guys. But yeah, I'm using the edgy side to blend out my contour, and it was great blending out my nose area because it was so easy. So for baking, I used the round side for my left side, and then I turned and I used the flat side for my right side. And I must say, I love the flat side better to apply the powder to bake because it's flat, it glides on easily, it applies easy. So yeah, that's that. And also I used the pointy side for my nose. It was small, so I was able to get there easy, and I'll just say easy application all around. Yeah. And then for my eyes, I'm using the small beauty blender to apply the concealer all over my eyes. It was small, so I don't have to use the big one that I have to, squeeze here and there. So the smaller one helped. And I used the same beauty blender to apply powder to set my concealer. So overall, I really love this beauty blender, and I can't wait for them to come out with different colors and different textures so that I give my honest review like I did on this one again. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down in the comment section below.